Hello, travellers! 'Tis the season to be jolly and to read devotion. When the Israelites started winning, people who had been hiding came out of the woodwork to join the battle. It seemed that nothing could go wrong. And then Saul opened his mouth. 1 Samuel 14:24. And the men of Israel were distressed that day, for Saul had adjured the people, saying, Cursed be the man that eateth any food until evening, that I may be avenged on my enemies. So none of the people tasted any food. Please, allow me to give you the entire list of why this was a good idea. There it is. This was a horrible idea, with a horrible motive. Saul, in his words, wanted vengeance on his enemies, and was willing to make his own people hungry and weak to get what he wanted. If he had been thinking about those he was leading rather than thinking about himself, he never would have done something so foolish. Do put others first, especially those that you are leading. If you keep them strong, they will keep you strong. Do feed your pheasants. Do forth your peasants. Wait. I mean, put first others, especially if you are leading them. Have a jolly blessed day.